All right, so today is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. There is no guest today, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to have you. Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Alright, so in this video today, I have decorated a table for two. So let's get started, guys. Let me show you what I've done. So here I kind of been leaving this this bee coffee pot, teapot, whatever pot you want this to be. And here's the beehive container. I got this from Dollar General. The teapot and the two mugs were thrifted, and so was the little honey pot. That sign over there that says you and me and a cup of tea, that came from the Dollar Tree. Absolutely love that. Now these I got from the garden section. I absolutely love it on each end of the table, and they also have the bees. So I won't be moving those anytime soon. Now this was a thrifted candle holder. Absolutely love it. The candles came from the Dollar Tree. The little chubby birds came from the Dollar Tree. And then these are so beautiful. They came with the Mother's Day stuff. I got that from Dollar Tree as well. And then in the corner there, I just left those florals there. So let me tell you what I where and what I got. So these are from the Pioneer Woman collection, and I thrifted these. So here is the water glass, the drinking glass, and then here is your water glass. And they're iridescent. I absolutely love it. Now, these utensils here, they were bought at Aldi. I absolutely love that gold tone. Then if we come on this side, the napkin, I believe this was given to me, and then the tie came from the Dollar Tree. So let's take this apart, guys. So my set here today is thrifted. I absolutely love those, the leaf dishes. Aren't they beautiful, guys? I absolutely love those. Now, so those were thrifted from the Goodwill, and then these chargers did come from the Dollar Tree. Now, the placemats came from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love those. I was so happy when I got them. So if we put this back together, so here's the charger. And then we have the leaf. I am in love with these leaf dishes. So this set was thrifted. Okay, and so here is the napkin, and that's how I chose to decorate my table. And then I just been loving this lavender color. I'm loving this iridescent color as well. And that is my tablescape for today, guys. I love how this came out, and I hope that you guys love this as well. I love the candles, guys. I love the bee set. I just thought all of it went together so nicely, and I'm loving the way it looks. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.